A revolution in the peanuts industry. This is my new product. Do you hear the sound of its roasting and frying after the last stage of its preparation? After the product has cooled. Is it crunchy? Is it crispy? Yes. Don't you hear? Is it tasty? Wow. Yes, it is. What does it taste like? It is a new and distinctive taste. Even though it's salty and spicy, you can't stop eating it. What's new? What do you call a revolution in the peanuts industry? Let me show you this experiment first. On the first day, in the morning, fasting glucose measurement, after 8 hours. It is good. Take 75 grams of table sugar, dissolved in water. Measurement of glucose level after 2 hours. I am diabetic. I knew that. I had diabetes. I don't take medication for it. This is a 2-hour postprandial blood sugar glucose, or glucose tolerance test. On the following 2 days. 1 day, in the morning, fasting glucose measurement, after 8 hours. Eat 100 grams of roasted peanuts, traditionally. Measurement of glucose after 2 hours. The sugar did not return to normal, but it did not exceed 180 milligrams. It is reasonable. The other day, in the morning, fasting glucose measurement after 8 hours. Eat 100 grams of my product. Measurement of glucose after 2 hours. Oh my goodness! The sugar is barely less than half that of traditionally roasted peanuts. This is what's new in my product. It does not raise blood sugar sharply, so it is less than half in raising blood sugar compared to a similar product. I discovered this by chance while trying to make peanuts in a new way. A way to increase the benefits of peanuts. And at the same time, I get rid of the potential harm from peanuts. So, I got this unique product. Is that all in the new product? No, there are many benefits that I keep. Is this the only product in my experiments? No, there are a lot of products. For details, click on the only link in the description under the video. Click like if you liked the video. Please share the video with those you think can co-produce it with me, and those who share your interests in these subjects. Click subscribe if you want to inform you about the launch date of the new channel, which will show you food from a new perspective. Thank you for watching and sharing.